Here the question is question number 3D. Mr. Gising bought a tripper for Rs 28 lakh 8,000. He used it for transporting construction materials and earned Rs 7 lakh 80,000 in 2 years. Okay. यहाँ चाहिँ मिस्टर घिसिङ बाउट ट्रिपर मिस्टर घिसिङले एउटा ट्रिपर किनेका छन् कतिमा किनेका छन् त 28 लाख 8,000 मा किनेका छन् ओके ही युज्ड इट फर द ट्रान्सपोर्टिङ कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्याटेरियल्स र कन्स्ट्रक्सन म्याटेरियल ट्रान्सपोर्ट गर्नको लागि उनले युज गरे एन्ड अर्न्ड आरएस 7 लाख 80,000 भनेको छ उनले त्यसबाट कति अर्निङ गरे त 7 लाख 80,000 ओके इन 2 इयर्स 2 इयर्समा त्यति अर्निङ भयो इफ ही सोल्ड इट एट 15% पर एनम कम्पाउन्ड डिप्रिसिएसन यहाँ रेट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन पनि के भन्छ 15% पर एनम फाइन्ड इज प्रफिट अर लस भनेको छ अब हामीले यहाँ प्रफिट र लस फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ आइदर प्रफिट अर लस फाइन्ड आउट गर्नु पर्यो ओके त्यसको लागि चाहिँ हामीले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्छ भन्दा वी हेभ टु फाइन्ड हियर अमाउन्ट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन यो 28 लाख 8,000 बाट ओके यो प्राइस कतिले घटेको छ त अमाउन्ट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन कति छ इन 2 इयर्स 2 इयर्समा कतिले घट्यो बिकज अफ दिस रेट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन को कारणले कतिले घट्यो that we have to find okay so if that amount of depreciation is more than 7 lakh 80,000 then there will be loss okay if that amount of depreciation is less than this earning then there will be profit okay so let's solve it okay so what is given here let's write given ma Mr. Gising bought a tripper for Rs 28 lakh 8,000 भनेको छ यसलाई हामी के भन्छौं इनिशियल प्राइस अफ अ ट्रिपर अर ओरिजिनल प्राइस अफ अ ट्रिपर लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ है त ओरिजिनल प्राइस अफ अ ट्रिपर ओके ओरिजिनल प्राइस अफ अ ट्रिपर इट इज डिनोटेड बाइ P ओरिजिनल प्राइस अफ अ ट्रिपर इज डिनोटेड बाइ P and it is given here Rs 28 lakh 8,000 okay 28 lakh 8,000 that is the original price of a tripper okay then other things what are given here rate of depreciation is also given rate of depreciation okay rate of depreciation that is R is equals to 15% per annum okay rate of depreciation given here 15% time is also given here time okay time that is T is equals to 2 years time is given here 2 years okay then here हामीलाई एउटा earning from the tripper income from the tripper we can write okay income from the tripper earning of the tripper also we can write let's write here earning of the tripper okay earning of the tripper okay simply let's write here earning of the tripper we can write here Rs 7 lakh 80,000 okay 7 lakh 80,000 this is the earning of the tripper okay so now what we are going to find here we are going to find here amount of depreciation okay amount of depreciation लाई हामी यो earning of the tripper सँग compare गरेर then we can determine whether there is profit or loss okay so now let's find now amount of depreciation okay amount of depreciation is equals to what we can write here we have the direct formula also P then bracket 1 minus R upon 100 okay power T so this is the formula for amount of depreciation let's put the values here है अब हामीले यसमा भ्यालु पुट गरौँ किन भन्दा हामीले amount of depreciation को formula we have already written okay now let's put the values okay so if we put here P is equals to 28 lakh 8,000 let's put 28 lakh 8,000 okay that is the value for P then 1 minus okay again 1 minus R means here it is 15 upon 100. 15 upon 100. Then time means you can see here time is 2. Time is 2 years. Okay, so let's write it 28 lakh 8,000. Okay, then 1 minus. So here let's take the LCM here. 100 into 1 is 100 minus 15 means that is 85 divided by 100. Then is square. Okay, so we can write here 28 lakh 8,000, then 1 minus 0.85 is square. Okay, 0.85 square. So then this will be 28 lakh 8,000. Okay, then 1 minus, let's find here 0.85 square. It will be 0.7225. Okay, 0.7225. So this is equals to 28 lakh 8,000. Okay, now into this we will get here 0.2775. Okay, 0.2775 we found that. Then into, okay, so we found here RS 7,79,220. Okay, 7,79,220 means this is less than 7,80,000. Okay, त्यसो भए अर्निङ अफ ट्रिपर भन्दा त के रहेछ त यो अमाउन्ट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन कम रहेछ. सो व्हाट वी क्यान से देयर इज अ प्रॉफिट. ओके, किन भन्दा अमाउन्ट अफ डिप्रिसिएसन लेस आयो, घटेको मूल्य के भयो त जुन घटेको मूल्य थियो ट्रिपरको त्यो कम आयो, अर्निङ बढी आयो भने त प्रॉफिट भइहाल्यो. ओके, सो व्हाट वी क्यान राइट हियर. Okay, here the amount of depreciation, okay, amount of depreciation in tripper, okay, or of amount of depreciation of tripper is less than the earning, of tripper. So there is profit. Okay, so what we can write here? So there is profit. Okay, now profit. Okay, now profit amount is equals to what we can write here? 7,80,000 minus this one. 7,79,220. Okay, so let's find here the answer. Okay, we got here RS 780. Okay, so 780, this is the answer. Hence the profit of Mr. Gising is RS 780. Okay, hence the profit of Mr. Gising is RS 780. Okay, in this way question number 3D is completed. Okay, now let's do here question number 4D. The compound depreciation of shares of business company for 2 years is at the rate of 2.5% per annum. Okay, here rate of depreciation is given. यो चाहिँ compound depreciation of shares of business company भनेको छ. यहाँ चाहिँ के भइरहेछ त rate of depreciation भइरहेको छ शेयरमा for 2 years. Okay, time is 2 years is at the rate of 2.5% per annum भनेको this is the rate of depreciation. If the present value of certain number of shares is RS 45,630, यो present value हो र हामीलाई सोधेको के छ हेरौं, how many shares at RS 200 per share were sold before 2 years. Okay, time interval भन्दा अगाडिको कुरा गरिरहेछ. त्यसैले प्रेजेन्ट भ्याल्यु भनेको त्यो पीटी हुन्छ भने ओके यो 2 इयर्स बिफोर को कुरा चाहिँ के हुन्छ त दैट प्राइस विल बी पी. ओके, सो वी हैव टु फर्स्ट अफ अल फाइन्ड हियर पी फाइन्ड आउट गरौं र हामीलाई यहाँ नम्बर अफ शेयर कतिवटा शेयर सोल्ड भएको थियो त्यो बेला दैट वी हैव टु फाइन्ड. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टु सल्भ दिस. So let's write for given here. Okay, what is given here? First of all, present value of certain number of shares we can write here. present value of certain number of shares. Okay, present value of certain number of shares, that is the PT. हामीले आइडेन्टिफाई गरिसक्यौं है, PT हो यो. PT is RS 45. Okay, this PT is 45,630. Okay, this is the PT, present value of certain number of shares. PT भनेको 45,630. Rate of depreciation is also given. You can see rate of depreciation, that is R is equals to 2.5%. Okay, rate of depreciation given. Time is also given. Okay, so we can write here time T is equals to 2 years. Time पनि given छ. Then what is asked here? Okay, what is asked here? अब how many shares त भनेर सोधेको छ, तर हामीले first what we have to find here, हामीले चाहिँ the value of certain number of shares before 2 years, that we have to find here. Okay, so what we have to find here, value of certain number of shares before 2 years. Okay, before 2 years, that is P is equals to what? Okay, र हामीलाई खास सोधेको के छ त, number of shares भनेर सोधेको छ है. number of shares sold. Okay, sold before 2 years. Okay, 2 years, 8 RS 200 per share. Okay, let's suppose this is N is equals to what? Okay, this we have to find. So first of all, what we are going to find here, value of certain number of shares before 2 years. After finding that, we can easily find the number of shares sold before 2 years at RS 200 per share. Okay, that also we can find. Okay, now we know the formula. So we can write here by formula. Okay, by formula what we can write, PT is equals to P bracket 1 minus R upon 100 power T. Okay, so this is the formula. So you are given here PT. Okay, 45,630 is PT. P we have to find. 1 minus R is given here 2.5 divided by 100. Okay, and then power T means 2 years. Okay, so let's write this as it is. 45,630 is equals to P. Here 100 into 100 minus 2.5. Okay, हामीले यहाँ चाहिँ 100 minus 2.5 गर्दा will get here 97.5. 97.5 divided by 100 then square. Okay, so this will be 45,630 is equals to P. This is 0.975 then square. Okay, or 45,630 is equals to P into, let's find. Okay, we'll get here 0.950625. Okay, so now this will divide this side. 45,630 divided by 0.950625 is equals to P. Okay, so let's divide. Okay, we got here 48,000. 48,000 is equals to P. Therefore, P means we found here RS 48,000. Okay, P भनेको चाहिँ हाम्रो कति आयो त 48,000 we got here. अब हामीले number of shares how to find here? Okay, since RS 200 is is the share value of one share. Okay, since RS 200 is the share value of one share, therefore RS1 is the share value of 1 upon 200 shares. Okay, we can write in this way. Okay, therefore त्यसो भए यो जुन हाम्रो 48,000 आएको छ यो कतिवटा शेयरको शेयर भ्यालु हो, लेट्स फाइन्ड हियर. Therefore RS 48,000 is the share value of 1 by 200 into 48,000 shares. Okay, so if we simply divide here, okay, हामीले यहाँ divide गर्यौं भने this two zeros we can cancel. Okay, and then we'll get here 240 shares. Okay, 240 shares, because 480 divided by 2 means that is 240 shares. Okay, so let's write the conclusion here. Hence 240 shares were sold before 2 years. Okay, so in this way we completed this question number 4D.